International law is a framework that governs relations between nations, aiming to create peace, justice, and cooperation on a global scale. But how is the international law created and enforced? International law includes rules and principles that govern the conduct of the states and the international organizations in their relationship with each other. These laws cover everything from trade to human rights. The sources of the international law are diverse, but the main pillars include treaties, customizes international law, and general principles recognized by civilized nations. Treaties are written agreements between the states, being legally binding, and the customary law developed from consistent states practices. Enforcement is one of the biggest challenges of the international law. Unlike the domestic law, there is not a global police force. Instead, the enforcement relies on the willingness of the states to comply, collective action from the international organization, and in some cases, sanctions. The International Court of Justice, also known as the World Court, is the main judicial organ of the United Nations. It settles disputes between the states and also provides advisory in the international legal issues. Sometimes international legal issues may be addressed in national courts. For example, cases involving war crimes or human rights might be prosecuted in domestic courts applying international legal principles. International law may face many challenges, but it remains a vital tool for maintaining the peace, the order, and the justice in the world. Understanding its sources, enforcement mechanisms, and the roles of the court help us to appreciate the complexity and the importance of the international relations.